Hello everyone. In the last video, we saw three basic methods to import in Adobe Premiere Pro. In this video, we are going to see the three advanced methods to import in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without any further ado, let's start. The first method is the file menu method. What you have to do is click on the file menu and select the import option. Once you have selected the import option, it will open the import window from where you can select single or multiple files which you want to import in your project. The second advanced method to import in Adobe Premiere Pro is the keyboard shortcuts. If you are on Mac, press the Command I, and if you are on Windows, press the Control I, which will open the import window. And once again, you can select file or folders, whichever you want to import in your project. The third and the last advanced method to import in Adobe Premiere Pro is using the media browser. What you have to do is navigate to the location wherever your file is, and once you are there, select the file and right click on it and click on the import option. The file or the files will get imported. I hope you liked this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing it. That's it for this video. Thank you.